Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of smart homes and IoT devices. If you've ever dreamed of controlling your lights, thermostat, and even your coffee maker with a single tap on your phone, you're in the right place. Stick around as we take you through a step-by-step guide on how to set up your very own smart home system. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your smart assistant. The first decision you'll need to make is which smart assistant you want to use. Whether it's Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple Siri, or others, these assistants will be the brains behind your smart home. They'll respond to your voice commands and allow you to control your devices seamlessly. Step 2. Create a plan. Before diving into buying a bunch of devices, take some time to plan out what you want your smart home to look like. Identify the areas you want to automate: lights, security cameras, thermostats, and more. This planning phase will help you make informed decisions and avoid overspending. Step 3. Start with the basics. Now it's time to start setting up your IoT devices. Begin with the basics, like smart plugs and smart bulbs. These are easy to install and can instantly add smart capabilities to your existing devices. Just plug them in or screw them in, and you're ready to go. Walkthrough: setting up a smart plug. Let's take a quick look at how to set up a smart plug. 1. Plug in the smart plug to an outlet. 2. Connect the plug to your Smart Assistants app. 3. Follow the app's instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. 4. Now you can control whatever is plugged into the smart plug using your voice or app commands. Step 4. Expand to smart lighting. Next up, smart lighting. Replace your traditional bulbs with smart bulbs that you can control remotely. Adjust the brightness, color, and even set schedules to mimic your natural routine. Walkthrough: installing smart bulbs. Here's how to install smart bulbs. 1. Replace your existing bulb with the smart bulb. 2. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect the bulb to your Smart Assistants app. 3. Connect the bulb to your Wi-Fi network. 4. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your lighting with your voice or app. Step 5. Explore security and cameras. Now, let's talk security. Smart cameras and doorbell cameras can provide you with peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your home remotely. Walkthrough: setting up a smart camera. Setting up a smart camera is a bit more involved, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. 1. Find an optimal location for your camera. 2. Install the camera following the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Connect the camera to your Smart Assistants app. 4. Configure settings such as motion detection and alerts. Step 6. Climate control with smart thermostats. Regulate your home's temperature efficiently with a smart thermostat. Set schedules, control the temperature remotely, and even save on energy bills. Walkthrough: installing a smart thermostat. Let's see how easy it is to set up a smart thermostat. 1. Remove your old thermostat and turn off power to your HVAC system. 2. Install the smart thermostat according to the provided instructions. 3. Connect it to your Wi-Fi network and your Smart Assistants app. 4. Set up your desired temperature schedules and preferences. Congratulations, you've just transformed your home into a smart haven. From controlling your lights to keeping an eye on your home's security, the possibilities with IoT devices are endless. Remember, the key is to start with a plan, take it step by step, and don't hesitate to explore new devices as you become more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech guides, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.